Hello, in front of me I've got smart TV box provided by XGODY company. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. In the beginning, let's take a look at the box. It's a standard box, black, made in China with only one sticker, shows us the serial number of the device. Now let's open it, and as you can see, right away we've got access to our smart TV box. Let's take it out of the foil, and the specific model of this smart TV box is H10 Plus. Let's take a look at it. So firstly, we've got access to 2 USB ports and 1 SD card slot. On the back of the box, we've got the Ethernet port, AV port, HDMI port, and the power outlet. There's nothing on the other sides, and on the bottom, again, we've got the name, model, how much RAM and ROM this TV box has, and the MAC number. And that's basically it about the device itself. Now let's check the things we can find in the box. Let's take out this part of the box, and now we've got the remote control. It's very simple remote control with power button, home, menu, navigation, back, volume up, volume down, and the mouse switch. Next we've got 2 user manuals, power supply, cable, HDMI cable, and that's basically it. As I said, it's a very simple device, but provided with all necessary tools like cables, remote control, and the user manual. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.